Hey guys, it's Sheridan with the Panhandle-Plains Historical Museum out at Paladuro today, and I'm going to teach you about the water cycle. So we know that the water cycle is the continuous movement of water through the Earth's atmosphere, above and below the Earth's surface. And we know that evaporation is the sun is really hot. The water comes up from the surface water, and it turns into gas vapor or water vapor. Then we have condensation, which is the water vapor that turns into liquid, back into liquid. And then we have precipitation. So the clouds are heavy with condensation and then they precipitate, so they rain. So today I'm going to teach you something that you can do at home. So you grab a jar, a glass, anything you can see through, and you fill it about 3/4 way full of water. You need shaving cream. So what you're going to do with the shaving cream, you're going to shake it and then spray some on the top. Make sure it looks like clouds, so we're going to make clouds. So then you have your clouds made, and then you're going to need food coloring. So once you have the food coloring, the water, the clouds made, you're going to drip the food coloring onto that cloud surface. And then you'll see it start raining. So it is starting to rain. When the condensation gets too heavy for that cloud, it starts raining. And when it's really, really heavy, it starts pouring. So here it looks like we may have a little bit of pouring going on. But we would love to see your experiments. Just tag us in them at PPHM at home. And hope y'all have a great day.